Hey, amazing teachers! Let's be honest. Sometimes picture talk turns into guess what's in the picture instead of actual output. But you can flip that with one simple tweak. Add a thought bubble. Yep, that's it. Take your image. Maybe it's a cat staring into space, or Pedro holding a taco like it's his last hope, and slap a big old thought bubble on it. Then ask, what is this character thinking? The answers will be unhinged and full of glorious language. Here's the strategy. Throw one image up on your projector. Add a thought bubble with zero context. Say, what's going on in their head? Watch students race to say things like, está pensando en su ex, or quiere escapar la clase de matemáticas. Want more structure? Give them a sentence frame like, él piensa que, he thinks that, or ella se pregunta si, she wonders if. You'll be amazed how fast they go from quiet to telenovela narrator. And guess what? You can do this every week with zero prep. Just reuse the image and change the question. The language growth is sneaky, like fluency dressed in a comedy. Want to know how CI savvy you really are? Take the free CI proficiency quiz at mm.us/CI quiz and find out if you're still in CI kindergarten or full on CI Jedi. Happy comprehensible input.